Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on fixing the issue on WhatsApp where it doesn't show you your contacts' names and only shows the number instead. As you can see, this chat contact is showing the phone number instead of the name I have saved for them. This is an issue with the app permissions on your phone and is easy to fix. I'm doing this on Android, but it's going to be pretty much the same steps on iPhone. Go into the settings of your phone, go to Apps, and then tap on Manage Apps. Select WhatsApp from the list of installed apps. Now tap on App Permissions. Here you need to make sure that the permission for contacts is enabled. This will allow WhatsApp to retrieve the names of your contacts from your phone's contact list. Once you have enabled it, you can go back to WhatsApp straight away and it should now display the names of your contacts. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.